Okay, so today we're going to talk about the best free plugins for WordPress. So if you're a publisher, blogger, or anyone who have built their website on WordPress, then this video is just for you. But before you get started, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the alert notifications so you do not miss any upcoming videos that we make. So let's start by exploring what we consider to be must-have plugins for every WordPress user. First on the list is Elementor. It helps to customize, design, and build your website from the scratch. It provides instant live edits and has minimum impact on the page load speed. It also offers free templates for loading pages in different designs, so you can choose the template and then customize it according to your preferences. Elementor is definitely the best plugin on the WordPress if you want to build a well-designed and user-friendly website. If you're looking for an alternative to this plugin, then you should consider Gutenberg WordPress. The Gutenberg WordPress is already integrated within the WordPress core, and as a result, it makes it very simple to make website optimizations. All edits regarding page layout design can be done in the backend. Next up, we have SiteKit by Google. One of the first things website owners must do after launching their new site live is to add all necessary Google tools. SiteKit brings essential Google products such as Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and page speed insights in your WordPress site together in just one place. It also provides reliable, up-to-date insights from multiple Google products directly onto the WordPress dashboard for easy access. So ensuring your website security is crucial. And this is where really simple SSL comes into play. SSL certificate or secure sockets layer is a must for every website. Without it, website users and websites are at a higher risk of hacker attacks. SSL ensures that data transmitted between your website and users' browsers is encrypted and secure. So you may think, how to know if your website has an SSL certificate? So if your website URL starts with the HTTP, you don't have SSL. But if it begins with HTTPS in the end, you are safe. To get this S at the end of HTTP, you should install really simple SSL plugin, which automatically manages your settings and configures the website to run over HTTPS. The best part about this plugin is that the whole site will move to SSL. Alternatively, consider Cloudflare for both security and the speed. This plugin works not only as a security plugin, but also as a speed and caching plugin. As well as really simple SSL, it provides an SSL certificate for free. We suggest you use this plugin instead of really simple SSL if you plan on using caching or speed functionality in the future. So, and the next category is SEO plugins, starting with Yoast SEO. As a publisher, you must ensure your website's created content is SEO friendly. Yoast SEO is the #1 plugin WordPress regarding SEO. It allows you to choose the focus keyword, and according to it, it shows how well optimized your content and metadata is. Besides, the Yoast team educates users on improving content, teaching about the science behind SEO with additional guides. For content management, Outreachboard shines as the guest article publishing plugin. Outreachboard is the guest article publishing plugin that offers blog owners a convenient and efficient way to collaborate with guest authors. With its range of features, Outreachboard streamlines the content submission process and ensures editorial compliance by allowing authors to complete submission tasks according to the owner's guidelines. The best feature of this plugin is the flexibility it provides in receiving guest content requests. Website owners can receive any type of request, including topic ideas, sponsored content, link exchange, ready articles, and even general inquiries. When it comes to contact forms, NinjaForms is the standout. Within this plugin, you can create forms for lead generation, signups, payments, and donations. It also provides pre-built templates to make your life easier and create forms as fast as possible. Additionally, with this plugin, you don't have to worry about GDPR compliance. According to the NinjaForms team, they have never collect or store personally identifiable information or any kind of information from the forms that you have created, so it should be all good. So now let's focus on security plugins, with Wordfence security taking the spotlight. Not only does the plugin create firewall for your website, but it also works as a scanner for malvertising attacks. with features like malware scanning, two-factor authentication, rate limiting, brute force protection, and vulnerability alerts, and more. This is one of the best WordPress security solutions available. Besides, all features are included in the free plan. For ad management, Setupad WP Ads is a fantastic choice. This plugin is an ideal solution for both beginners in website monetization and experienced content creators. It's a one-stop solution for anyone looking for a free and user-friendly plugin to insert, optimize, and manage all kinds of ads, including Google AdSense and Google Ad Manager ads through a simple code snippet. Our favorite features include lazy loading for ad placements to save vital website resources and related post sections with an option to insert ads between related post categories. And which is the best part? Setupad WP Ads is completely free, including the most advanced functionality that I mentioned earlier. In the e-commerce category, WooCommerce stands out for sure. WooCommerce is an open source e-commerce solution, so if your website's goal is to sell, this plugin is a must. Its built-in tools help publishers efficiently manage their business operations. It's very helpful for beginners without experience in web store creation. Thanks to WooCommerce, it can be done within just a few hours. If you're looking for a tool that would help you manage redirects, then you can pick Redirection plugin. If your site supports permalinks, then any page's URL can be redirected by using exactly this plugin. This plugin also manages 301 redirects and keeps track of 404 errors, and if you want to, then you can redirect all these 404 errors in one bulk. For push notifications, iZooto offers a seamless integration with WordPress. iZooto helps news and media publishers to build and engage and retain their audience by using web and app push notifications. This plugin has one-click integration with WordPress, making it easy to set up and start. The auto push feature automatically gathers the content after you have hit the publish button and pushes it as notification to subscriber. If you're looking for some kind of plugin which would boost your site speed, then you can consider W3 Total Cache. This plugin can improve user experience and SEO and reduce loading time for features like content delivery network integration. One of the biggest pros of this plugin is that it has separate caches for mobile and desktop devices. This is important because that way developers can store and serve optimized versions of web pages and resources tailored to each device screen size, improving the overall user experience. For comprehensive optimization, WP Optimize is your go-to. It is one of the best WordPress performance plugins. It also works as a caching plugin. This plugin handles notification, image compression, lazy loading of the images, and even database cleanup. It can be also integrated with other plugins like Cloudflare for improved performance and Updraft Plus for easy website backups. WP Optimize is a great all-in-one optimization plugin that has a free plan with lots of features that you can check out. For image optimization, Smush is an excellent choice. With it, you can easily optimize your images, so you may think, why is this even important? You will improve your content's loading speed and user experience using this plugin. It comes with various features such as incorrect size image detection, automated optimization, lazy load, and many more. It's worth mentioning that when you use the plugin and upload the new image, it will automatically reduce the size, but not the image's quality, which is absolutely awesome. If you use affiliate links, then you can consider Pretty Links. It allows creating neat URLs for WordPress users. It will enable you to add, organize, and share your affiliate links to multiple platforms. It also has a tracking feature that allows you to see full analysis of your URL traffic source, browser, host, and so on. Pretty Links offers a link shortening tool that generates shorter URLs originating from your domain. For multilingual sites, TranslatePress is a valuable tool. With TranslatePress, you can use a live editor and translate your website or content with a live preview of the page. It allows an instant switch between multiple languages. It also enables you to use Google Translate to automate the translations, and you can edit the sections that need improvement. And lastly, for chat support, you can consider LiveChat plugin. It comes with a great set of features that makes it stand out from a different chatbot options. It has a ticketing system that helps you collect messages from clients who reached out while you were offline. With LiveChat, you can automatically send personalized and custom messages. For example, let's say you can trigger a message when a user has done a defined action, like spend X amount of time on your site. And that's kind of it. It's vital to remember that you should use a few plugins as possible because they can affect your website's loading speed in the long term. It is because each plugin you install comes with additional weight. Most of plugins are designed to make life easier for WordPress users, but you shouldn't see them as ultimate solution as a user. By this we mean that there is always a possibility to build custom functionalities tailored to your website needs and avoid using plugins. We hope this video helped you to choose the best plugin for your site. Bye and see you next time.